Welcome everyone to Balance by Megan. I'm Megan. Today I'm taking you through a guided meditation for confidence. So this is going to help you tap into and embody your confidence, especially when you're lacking it right now. Grab a nice comfortable position and let's create balance in your life. Closing down the eyes and just taking a few moments here to breathe. So not trying to force or change the breath, just noticing how it moves in and out of your body. And if your hands were not on your belly, go ahead and just place them there. So feel the connection of your hands to your belly and feel the belly expand into your hands on the inhale. And feel the belly contract on the exhale. Bringing your awareness to your hands placed on the low belly. I want you to imagine this red sphere appears at the very base of your pelvis. This red sphere moves clockwise and it gets brighter and brighter as it moves. Above it and just below your navel is an orange sphere that appears. The orange sphere, in tune with the red sphere, moves clockwise and gets brighter and brighter as it moves around. Just above your navel, a yellow sphere appears, and in tune with your orange and red sphere, the yellow sphere moves clockwise and it gets brighter and brighter with each turn. As these spheres move, they merge together, creating the fire within you. This fire within you makes you feel powerful, strong, and confident. You can feel the heat of this power as it ignites within you, coursing through your entire being. And as this fire moves, you repeat to yourself, I am confident. I am confident in myself and my decisions. I am confident in who I am and what I offer to the world. Again, I am confident. I am confident in myself and my decisions. I am confident in who I am and what I offer to the world. Sitting up nice and tall, I am confident. I am confident in myself and my decisions. I am confident in who I am and what I offer to the world. Keep breathing, keep repeating this mantra over and over to yourself. And then taking one more deep breath in, repeat this mantra once more to yourself. Allowing this fire to continuously course through the body. Allowing this confidence to radiate from you. Tapping into this confidence whenever you need it. Then bring awareness back into your body. And when it feels right to you, begin to flutter open the eyelashes and continue to confidently move on with your day. If you enjoyed today's guided meditation, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, hit the bell button to be notified when I post free content every Wednesday, and go ahead and share this with someone else in your life who wants to start their meditation practice. Thank you so very much for joining me. I will see you next week. Namaste.